Welcome to this tutorial to help you record your Voice of Democracy essay. From your desktop, find the Audacity icon. Click on to open the Audacity program. The Audacity program is fairly easy to record your Voice of Democracy essay. There is a play button, a stop button, and the all-important record button. If I click on this now, you will see that it is recording my voice, and you can see the fluctuations. You can see how long it takes me to speak what I am saying. So you will read your essay into this once you have pressed the record button. If you stumble and fall and stutter and you want to pause, you can do that. You can still see that my voice is not recording anymore, but I want to take out this 1.5 seconds. So I can click on here, I can highlight this area, I can go up to File, and I can delete this. Then I can go back to the record button and continue recording my essay. Or, because this is a timed essay and you are not supposed to exceed 3 minutes, but you're not supposed to be less than 2 minutes and 57 seconds, you might want to just record it and practice several times before you actually decide on your recording. So, once you get done recording, you press stop, and then you can press play to listen to your whole recording. If you like what you're recording and you're ready to burn your CD, we first have to save this. So to do that, we're going to File, and we're going to Save Other, Export as a WAV file. So we're going to Save Other and Export as WAV. We're going to click on that. It's going to ask us where we want to save it. And you want to see that, okay, I'm logged in as myself. I'm going down to my music folder and I'm going to click on music. I'm going to title this the name of my essay or my name. And then it is already defaulted to save as a WAV Microsoft. It says signed 16-bit PCM. And then you're going to save this. And I already had that file. When this edit metadata tags file comes up, you can put in information if you want to, or you can just click OK. And that saved it onto our computer. Now I'm going to minimize this so that I can show you the next step. The next step involves us using the Windows Media Player in order to burn this to a CD. So we're going to open up Windows Media Player. I don't have this on my desktop, so I can go down here to my File Explorer and remember that it's called Windows Media Player and find it right there. It was also on this icon tile, but I need to open Windows Media Player. Now I have Windows Media Player open, and it opened right to my music file, and it opened right to that file that I created, and I called my file directions because that's what this is. Okay, now I'm going to click on that so that it highlights it. Then I'm going to right click on it, and it's going to open a menu that I want to find the Add to my burn list. So you're right clicked on that after you had highlighted it, and you're going to burn list, add to burn list. Over here you will notice, okay, now I have something over here. Under burn, it says start burn, and it has my recording. So you're going to need to add a blank CD to the front of the computer by pressing on that little button that's under the RW sign, and that will bring out the tray. You're going to insert your blank DVD and close DVD CD, and you're going to close the tray. Now you're ready to press the Start Burn button. you will hear, if you've done everything correctly, you will hear the computer make a grinding noise. I'm not sure if my mic can pick that up or not, but it will make a grinding noise. You will see the burning and the rate of the burning. It shouldn't take longer than possibly about a minute to burn a 3-minute CD. And when it's complete, it should eject your tray with your CD in it. Now you're going to take this CD and you're going to go over to the radio and you're going to put it in the CD player and make sure that it plays. And make sure it plays all the way through. Listen to it and make sure you're 100% satisfied with your recording. Then you're going to put a sticky note on it, the CD with your name on it, and then you're going to put the CD with the sticky note inside a sleeve and give that to Miss Antela. I hope you found this helpful, and good luck with your recording.